Right, this is a buy setup we also took on the in hindsight on the 17th of June. Let's break it down quick. Accumulation, or rather a POI that sees bullish initiation, a clear break of structure, price pulls back. How do we pull back? Between this high and this low, you can see price comes very close, basically creates that internal high and further push down. Once we get here, we get that mitigation in Asia session, and then that bullish intention show its hand. But what happens in Frankfurt? Frankfurt, we got that sell to the downside. What can we identify from that? That from this sell to buy narrative, we got essentially a POI that results in that 50% structure break from this overall A to B, that 50% being broken over there. So where can we look at as liquidity? In terms of liquidity, this low is our major low, and once price actually took that low, we got a fractal being shown its hand. What is the fractal? But we take liquidity to the left and see a strong bullish initiation to the outside, breaking that internal trend wall. So that is our possible momentum shift and our POI. Our POI being the range that takes liquidity to the left, initiation, that sees a break of structure. What do we get then after? We get a pullback, but do note, in this move here, there's not much liquidity, right? So no straight entry on the tap, rather price dances along in 50% of this overall narrative. And then what do we get? Then we get the strong initiation to the downside, and that price slowing down. Two bullish candles printed. We entered targeting the high. Safe stop loss we don't know. Why we target the high? Because it was quite clear that price was still very much bearish at the 50% of the overall range, and it was a very good call. Always target low hanging fruit stuff that you're confident that you can hit, and this was one that was fairly confident in hitting. Solid trade. Price never even came back to really tap that 50% after taking the entry high. Good trade. Thank you.